Right, so after getting off to a good start, Rivian and Lucid have experienced a slowdown in sales, and especially for Rivian, which is expecting flat or declining sales here in 2025. Rivian generated $5.2 billion in sales in the most trailing 12-month period, and that figure is likely to decline over the next few quarters going forward. The management team has forecasted that they will be producing fewer units this year than they did last year. Lucid, meanwhile, is generating growth with $900 million in trailing 12-month revenue, and it's ramping up production of its Gravity SUV, which is an incredibly beautiful car. In fact, I think Lucid has the best looking electric vehicles, bar none. Overall, I haven't seen a better looking electric vehicle than Lucid. But of course, Lucid's price tag is more expensive than most electric vehicles. Even Rivian, which approaches $100,000 on some of its models, Lucid has $100,000 price tags on more of its models. Some of its models are up above $200,000. So very expensive, very luxurious electric vehicles, Rivian and Lucid. The next thing I wanted to compare these two on is the operating profit margin. And what I'm really looking for here is progress, because these companies are losing significant sums of money on the bottom line. Tens of billions of dollars Rivian has lost in its path to get to where it is today. It's burned through tens of billions of dollars, and it's not even selling 50,000, 60,000 vehicles in a year. It's really expensive and capital intensive to operate a car company, and especially if you're operating an electric vehicle company in the United States, very, very expensive. So now let's look at valuation. And my discounted valuation model for Rivian has this business worth $3.45. The current market price, even after it's down so much off its high, still looks overvalued at $13.60 compared to the intrinsic value of $3.45. Compared with Lucid, which also looks overvalued, the intrinsic value per share I calculated is $12. The current market price after the reverse stock split is $19.84. So if you were to ask me, I would not want to own either of these companies. These are two of the last companies I would want to own right now. But if you forced me and you said you have to pick one of these for investment, the one I would pick is Rivian. Click the link below to watch the full video.